Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the options people have to respond in a form. So for instance, you can choose like multiple choice, and that means like they have options to choose from. You also have checkboxes, which is like similar, I guess. You can also have these drop down options, as you can see there. You also have short answer, and you also have paragraph, and you also have these like linear scale, multiple choice grid, and etc. But I don't really understand how to really use that. So these are the choices that you have for people to answer from, I guess. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!